My name is Colleen Costello, CEO and co-founder of VitalVio. Germ control is really important to address because the germs are beating us right now. Just opening up a newspaper and seeing anything from hospital-acquired infections to foodborne illnesses and outbreaks. Unfortunately now, the germs are mutating and our tools are really limited, and so it's really important to continue to reinvent disinfection. VitalVio exists to provide new, sustainable, safe tools for disinfection through LED technology. So basically how it works is we harness a very specific frequency of light that is targeting molecules that are only in these organisms that are not in human cells, and then creating a uniform white light so that it can multitask for you in your indoor environments to illuminate and also be disinfecting at the same time. Our technology can be put anywhere from large light fixtures to behind elevator buttons and different things in your homes. Our products are currently deployed in a variety of different facilities, anything from intensive care units to food processing to people's homes.